Generating function for Laguerre polynomial. The Laguerre polynomial lnx can also be defined by the generating relation. The corresponding generating function for the Laguerre polynomial is 1 by 1 minus t exponential minus xt by 1 minus t. That can be written as summation n is equal to 0 to infinity lnx t to the power n by n factorial. So we can prove this relation, that is 1 by 1 minus t exponential minus xt by 1 minus t. And e to the power x can be expressed as summation r is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power r by r factorial. In the same way, this term can be expressed like this. Okay, instead of x, we are using minus xt by 1 minus t. So the relation is 1 by 1 minus t summation r is equal to 0 to infinity 1 by r factorial minus xt by 1 minus t to the power x. Summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r, x to the power r, t to the power r, because there is a minus sign, no? So 1 minus 1 to the power r and x to the power r and t to the power r, divided by 1 minus t to the power r plus 1. 1 minus t is here, and the second one is 1 minus t to the power r. So the total is 1 minus t to the power r plus 1 into this r factorial. Now, this term is in the denominator, so we can move this term to numerator. Then minus 1 to the power r, x to the power r, t to the power r, 1 minus t to the power minus r plus 1 divided by r factorial. Summation r is equal to 0 to infinity. This can be expand. This 1 minus t to the power minus r by r plus 1 can be expanded like this. Okay, then next is summation over r is equal to 0 to infinity. This can be write in this form. Summation is equal to 0 to infinity r plus s factorial by r factorial into s factorial into t to the power s. And now this one. Summation r is equal to 0 to infinity, summation s equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r plus s factorial, x to the power r, t to the power s plus r. There is one t to the power r and another t to the power s. So combining, then t to the power s plus r divided by r factorial square s factorial. Now the coefficient of t to the power n is obtained by, because here we know that the coefficient of t to the power n, that is our polynomial, Laguerre polynomial. So the coefficient of t to the power n is obtained by putting r plus s equal to n, r plus s equal to n. So s equal to n minus r. Since s is greater than or equal to 0, we know that s is 0 to infinity, so it is greater than or equal to 0, and n is greater than or equal to 0, and we know that n minus r is equal to s. So n minus r is greater than or equal to 0, because s is greater than or equal to 0, and what is s? S is n minus r. Therefore n minus r is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore r is less than or equal to n. Now we can, so the limit of r is equal to 0 to n, because r is less than or equal to n. And now n is equal to 0 to infinity. N is equal to 0 to infinity. Minus 1 to the power r n factorial. Instead of this r plus s, we substitute r plus s. From this r plus s is n. So n factorial divided by r factorial, and instead of this s factorial, we substitute what is s? S is n minus r. So n minus r factorial into x to the power r, t to the power n. Okay, because s plus r is n. From this we can write s plus r is n. Now the coefficient of t to the power n. Coefficient of t to the power n, that is summation r is equal to 0 to infinity, and this part, that is our Laguerre polynomial. Okay, here one n factorial square is there in the case of Laguerre polynomial, so we can divide that thing by an n factorial. Therefore 1 by 1 minus t exponential minus xt by 1 by t is equal to summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity t to the power n ln x.